this, Samuel? Oh my gosh, what is that? Is that the police station?
No, I think it's a tower.
Oh, it's Lego City Bank. It's the bank robbers. I've never seen that before.
Hey, it would take a long time to build that.
Yeah. The whole thing.
Next is the regular police car.
Charlie, look what Daddy's got. What is it? Press it. It makes noises, I guess.
Is this one?
No, that one says Charlie on it.
This one's for you. Charlie.
Charlie, here. Look what Daddy. Santa brought you that.
What is that?
What's that one?
Cool,
Oh, Darth Vader! Oh, sorry.
Darth Vader, man.
Yeah, wait.
Awesome.
Let me see it. Awesome.
Open this for Charlie.
Charlie, look at that one. What's that?
Goofy.
Goofy.
Okay, hand it to him.
Look, Charlie, it's Goofy. Who's that?
This one says to Samuel from Santa.
What is it?
It's this.
What's this? Whoa, what's that?
Mario.
This looks like just tracks. Mario tracks?
It's this Mario tracks and his trophy.
Cool.
He's not versing anybody.
Charlie.
Is that one for me?
This says to. Let's open one more for Charlie. Here. This one's for Charlie. Will you open it for him?
Okay.
Thank you.
What's that?
Bullseye.
Look, Charlie. Oh, cool.
Right behind you.
I like that. Charlie, it's Bullseye.
This one for me.
Bullseye. Oh, you know what that is? That's what you gave that kid at your school that doesn't have a lot of presents. Santa must have heard you. Mario art kit.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Here, this one's for Charlie. Will you open it?
Maybe he can open some too, probably.
Who? Charlie?
Oh, cool. Look at that. What is that? A
A
truck?
Hot Wheel truck.
Oh, I bet he'll share that with you.
A Hot Wheel truck. Oh, sorry. That's... You get a Hot Wheel.
Can you get us to Charlie?
Oh, man.
He'll go open it.
I'll just open it.
Alright. It's okay if he opens them. He's just being a good brother.
What? He gets two Chucky tins?
What is it?
Cool.
Jump? Oh, Chuggingtons. Oh, cool.
That was nice.
I don't think I've ever seen Chuggingtons before.
Here, throw them to me. This one more for Charlie. That one get one for you.